I want to say that today we are delighted to join our great saga, that is KEMSA, and also talk to Kenyans about the reforms that have been there, whereby you find when some of us were the CECs in health around a few months ago, the refill rate of KEMSA to the counties was low. But with the reforms that we have seen, the refill rate has gone to around 70-80%. And apart from that, the turnaround time of drugs when we request all the way from the lower facilities to KEMSA, within 2-3 weeks, you are able to get these drugs. So today is a landmark event that we are continuing to affirm that KEMSA has enough drugs for the counties. And apart from that, as we flag, we want to assure Kenyans that the supply chain is working very well. And with the determination of the president on reforms and UHC, you are seeing things are happening and Wanjiko is being served in the right way. So today, we want to flag off a consignment for the counties and assure counties that KEMSA is equal to the task.
This flag off is part of the commitment to continued public engagement as an integrity, transparency, and accountability pillar. It's part of our integrity, transparency, and accountability pillar. We hope that such continued public disclosures will enhance KEMSA's public trust and reputation. We are committed to alleviating the plight of our compatriots by meticulously serving this organization to meet its mandate as the lead last-mile supply chain solutions provider to more than 11,500 health facilities spread across the country. We are committed to ensuring that we deliver quality health products and technologies that boost positive health outcomes for the national development. This morning, we are flagging off supplies headed to several counties, including Kilifi, Marsabit, Tana River, Baringo, Garissa, and Samburu. It is instructive to note that, conscious of the drought conditions, KEMSA has in the recent times prioritized supplies to the counties in the arid and semi-arid lands in Kenya. These ASO counties have been receiving nutritional supplements, rehydration solutions alongside essential medicines. The consignment we are flagging off today is valued at more than 380 million shillings. The consignment comprises of essential medicines ordered by the respective counties as part of the Kenya Essential Medicines List. This list was developed by the Ministry of Health and has recognized the disease burdens in each of the counties, allowing for tailor-made ordering of essential medicines and medical supplies from KEMSA. Besides the essential medicines and medical supplies, this consignment also comprises of orders that cater for specific national strategic programs. These initiatives include nutrition, malaria, reproductive health, maternal, newborn, child, and adolescent health, HIV and AIDS, non-communicable diseases, TB and lung and diseases, and as well as immunization. This operating quarter, KEMSA has successfully managed to record a milestone with the dispatch of program and essential medicines and medical supplies valued at more than 9.73 billion shillings. The dispatch has been for more than 32, we have been able to successfully service more than 32,000 orders, which have been dispatched to more than 7,600 health facilities spread across all the 47 counties. This is a significant improvement to KEMSA's organizational efficiency and is also highlighted by the improved order turnaround time, which we have achieved by use of information technology systems that support organizational agility and simplify business processes. We have been able to reduce the order turnaround time from 46 days in February 2021 to 16 days at the end of February 2022. All the deliveries made to these counties are backed and supported by an internal delivery assurance or document generated through the award-winning KEMSA electronic proof of delivery, or what is commonly now known as the EPOD app. The KEMSA EPOD app keeps track of the KEMSA last mile supplies to the respective health facilities. As part of the customer relationship management, we have also stepped up capacity building efforts at the county level. This effort includes collaboration on operational measures such as improving order processes, inventory management, adherence to quality assurance, as well as pharmacovigilance. The collaboration has also involved streamlining credit management to ensure that KEMSA corrects the more than 2.7 billion owed by KEMSAs. I must commend and salute many counties that have begun to show signs of their commitment to settle the outstanding dues by prioritizing and ring-fencing budgets for health products and technologies. Specifically, I wish to salute and recognize the following counties: Kilifi County, Nakuru County, Laikipia County, which we did supply to them just last week, Nyeri County, Meru County, West Pokot, Turkana, Kisii, and Makueni counties, which have no pending bills with the authority. It therefore means that payments or settlement of this outstanding bill is possible. The settlement of outstanding dues by the counties is significant, as it allows KEMSA to deliver against its mandate. Through the increased collections, we shall be able to pay our suppliers, including the local manufacturers, on time. Moving forward, we intend to sustain stakeholder engagements with all our partners with the support of our board of directors so that we can improve the health outcomes as envisioned under the UHC program. We have seen the value of these engagements in unlocking long outstanding debts, and most importantly, has also helped KEMSA improve its customer service capacity. With these remarks, I wish to reiterate KEMSA's commitment to ensuring supply chain excellence for health products and technologies to ensure positive health outcomes.